अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम करता हूँ टेक बंडल यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एडसेंस प्रोग्राम पॉलिसीज़ के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ कि एडसेंस प्रोग्राम की क्या पॉलिसीज़ हैं जिनको आपको मस्ट फॉलो करना चाहिए। अगर आप इनमें से किसी भी एक पॉलिसी को फॉलो नहीं करते तो आपका एडसेंस अकाउंट जो है वो डिसेबल हो सकता है। पॉलिसीज़, एडसेंस प्रोग्राम पॉलिसीज़, ऑल पब्लिशर्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टू adhere to the Google publisher policies and the following policies, so please read them carefully. If you fail to comply with these policies without permission from Google, we reserve the right to disable ad serving to your site or disable your AdSense account at any time. If your account is disabled, you will not be eligible for further participation in the AdSense program because we may change our policies at any time. Please check here often for updates in accordance with our online terms and conditions. It's it's your responsibility to keep up to date with and adhere to the policies posted here. Exceptions to these policies are permitted only with authorization from Google. Publishers may place AdSense code on pages with content in scope of the Google publisher restrictions. Through this content will likely receive less advertising than other non-restricted content. Invalid clicks and impressions. Publishers may not click their own ads or use any means to inflate impressions and or clicks artificially, including manual methods. Encouraging clicks to views non-rewarded inventory. Except for rewarded inventory, publishers may not ask others to click or view their ads or use deceptive implementation methods to obtain clicks or views. This includes but is not limited to offering compensation to users for viewing ads or performing searches, promising to raise money for third parties for such behavior, or placing images next to individual ads. Traffic sources. Google Ads may not be placed on pages receiving traffic from certain sources. For example, publishers may not participate in paid to click programs, send unwanted emails, or display ads as the result of the action of any software application. Also, publishers using online advertising must ensure that their pages comply with Google's landing page quality guidelines. Ad behavior. Publishers are permitted to make modifications to the AdSense ad code so long as those modifications do not artificially inflate ad performance or harm advertisers. Please see modification of the AdSense ad code for more information. Ad placement. Publishers are encouraged to experiment with a variety of placements and ad formats. However, AdSense code may not be placed in inappropriate places such as pop-ups, emails, or software. Publishers must also adhere to the policies for each product used. Please see our ad placement policies article for more information. Site behavior. Sites showing Google ads should be easy for users to navigate. Sites may not change user preferences, redirect users to unwanted websites, initiate downloads, include malware, or contain pop-ups or pop-up unders or pop-unders that interfere with site navigation. Deceptive site navigation. Publishers may not use deceptive implementation methods that place ads in a way that might be mistaken for menu navigation or download links to obtain clicks or views. Keep in mind that every publisher is responsible to ensure that their ad implementation adheres to the ad placement policies. This includes but is not limited to false claims of streaming content or downloads, linking to content that doesn't exist, redirecting users to irrelevant or misleading web pages, other types of navigation that is designed to intentionally mislead users, pages where ads are implemented in placements that are intuitively meant for navigation. Technical requirements for web content viewing frames or फॉर एप्स। तो ये थी गूगल एडसेंस प्रोग्राम पॉलिसीज़ जो आपको लाजमी फॉलो करनी चाहिए अगर आपकी कोई वेबसाइट है या फिर यूट्यूब चैनल है, अदरवाइज़ आपका एडसेंस डिसेबल हो जाएगा। तो ये वीडियो मैंने टेक बंडल यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए बनाई है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।